Have you ever wondered if Yamaha Motor Company can finally beat Ducati in MotoGP with its new V4 engine? At first, it sounds possible. Both bikes now make similar power, so you'd expect a closer fight. But the real story is much deeper. When Yamaha moved away from their inline-4, they were chasing more torque, more speed, and stronger acceleration. On paper, it made perfect sense. But the moment the riders got on the bike, the feedback was clear. The handling felt off, and the braking wasn't smooth. And that changes everything. Because Yamaha's biggest strength was never just power, it was precision in the corners. By switching to a V4, they didn't just gain performance, they disrupted the balance that made them competitive in the first place. And in MotoGP, you don't win by changing one component, you win by perfecting the entire machine.